What are some of the key things to look for when analysing an article? Analysing is essentially broken down into two parts. The first is deconstructing, which is where we identify and examine the parts of an article, and the second is explaining, where we look at the relationship between the parts. To demonstrate analysing, I've chosen an article called Humans Are Super Predators from the website Science for Society. So initially we need to consider the title, audience, content and author. So for this article, the title is Humans Are Super Predators. The audience is science students. So the content will be scientific in nature, and then we can look more specifically at the author. So the author of the article has a double major in biology and English and has written for several different scientific journals. While reading the article, we need to keep three main things in mind: what, how, and why. What is the article about? What is its purpose? And what is the main point that's being made? What is being said? What evidence has been used? What ideas and arguments have been presented? And finally, we'll evaluate the article and judge its worth. Was there enough evidence? Were there unanswered questions? Was a case made? What are the implications for society? What did we learn from the article? And what can we do with this information? In the following section of video, I've shown the article with key highlighted points. You can obviously pause the video at any time to read the article in full. So the article was about sustainability and how humans interact with the environment, in particular our relationship with animals as a source of food. It raised an important question: why do we hunt adults of species? Now this question ties in with the purpose of the whole article, which was to show that we need to think about alternative ideas and methods for sustainable hunting. So the main points that were made were that we need to review our current hunting methods and look at viable alternatives for long-term sustainability. And to support this, evidence was presented from the scientific community. Overall, the implications for society is that for there to be long-term sustainability, we need to stop and look at what we're currently doing in terms of hunting. We can further make links between ecosystems, humans, and our long-term impact on the planet.